Do a kickflip. Nice walking sort of frame.
That's the old doodah, mate. Right, that is it. The new project has arrived at my workshop, and this is the WF22 Eurofighter. So here it is, our brand new BMW 2 Series. It's an F22, and we purchased it direct from BMW. So it's come straight off the production line in Germany. And it is amazing to be started with something so fresh. We know it's great, we know there's no rust, there's no hidden surprises. It is just literally the perfect base for this project. Okay, so the chassis is all in place, and we're just about to start making the rollover spit. Yeah, so basically we're going to start making the thing that attaches to the front and the back that makes it spin around. It was pretty late when we finished up last night, so me and the guys, we were cracking on yesterday with the removal of the seam sealer. The boys were attacking it with a wire wheel, so we managed to get quite a lot of that removed. It's a boring job, it's a really boring job, trust me. But yeah, we're going to spend a bit of time clearing all that up because we want to make sure that we stitch weld every single part of the chassis possible to, you know, make sure we do a full job on this car. We're not cutting corners on this. This is absolutely everything that can be done to this to make it, you know, as best as possible. That's what we're going to do, and we're going to commit our time and effort into all the minor details.
Whoopsie.
You look so proud of yourself.
I might cut this off, you know?
Yeah.
No, I might like cut this. Oh no, we can't hold it on the spit then.
Yeah.
Oh, that's shit, isn't it? To Sam. You know it.
Thanks. he's done, isn't he? He's done for the day.
I ain't got a clue what I'm doing, I'm just freestyling the fuck out of this.
Rear ledger's got the headlights.
Yeah.
Rear lights.
Don't show them how much it was. You know, everyone will know how rich you are. Jesus Christ!
You bent the end.
Yeah, but now I can cut through with it.
Like if you go that hard,
You bend the end, you snap it off,
yeah.
you blow the end off it. Blow the end off it, you ain't got nothing left.
Apparently some people prefer a bent end. Bit of a natural turn.
Spicy boy. Pep. Wagwan. Well, the main cage foot is made.